The blood or ritual symbolisms in our culture as blacks is basically for oblation, for repiciation, for reconciliation, and for what is called self-sacrifice. We we do not do it for the sake or purpose of desire, but rather it is a commandment. It is a commandment. But today, these oblations, this repiciation ceremonies or act in the science of our culture has been used the other way. When the cross is standing like this, it is a cross, but when it's standing like this, it's no longer the cross, but it's also a cross. So that is the difference between our culture and that of the Satan and that of the evil. Listen, it is the star and the cross. On top of the cross is what we call alandiche in our culture. It's a secret, alandiche. Now, alandiche, when it's upside down, you are now marching on the indiche. You are now violating the law. That is Satanism. You understand? The same way it is in the star. The star of our culture is this way. The two legs pinned down. But the star of the Satanism is upside down, the two legs facing up, and then the head of the ram in between the two legs facing up, to mean that the ram is the Satan. No, but that is the symbol. You see, this is the difference between our culture and that of Satanism. And if you don't read the careful line, the in-between line of the colors, you will find yourself in Satanism in the name of the culture of Biafra. No, we are exceptional, different, peculiar, and distinct people, choosing generation and a royal priesthood order. Our priesthood is in the royalty, it's not in the church. The priesthood of the land of Biafra is found in the royal cadre. It's found among the prince and princesses. They are not found in the church room. It is the priesthood of God is not even found in the church room. It's found in the hand of the king and the priests of the land. This is who we are. That is the culture that we portray. That is the Biafra of tomorrow. That is the Biafra of yesterday. That is the Biafra of ancient Semites, the black ancient Semites. Do you understand? So when we exercise these things, they are not satanic in any nature, in any way. But in other words, if you are a good Bible scholar or student, you will understand that sacrifices too can be performed unto other gods. And our God, Amadioha, repels it. He said that you should not give what is for him unto other gods, because he is the king of all gods. Amadioha rule among all gods. If I'm not correct, let any god anywhere rise up and come and challenge me that I lied. I know the God I call, which is Amadioha. He is the King of Kings that the Bible talk about. So he rules both in the heavens of all heavens. Amadioha is the king. In the hell of all hell, Amadioha is the king. He instructs, he rules. So that is not why I am here. The truths and the core value of this discussion is that our religious blood sacrifice is symbolic in oblation, in anticipation, oblation in anticipation, in repetitions and reconciliations, with when we reconcile when we have erred, we repitiate when we want to grow, and we oblate when we want to clean. So this is the 3 steps, and then we offer unto self-sacrifice. That is, when you are being called, it requires your self-sacrifice to deliver the actual purpose of your calling. That is what I want to put before you as the root of the symbolisms in the rituals of our culture. I wish you well, and I want you to subscribe with us and follow us on. Unlike this question, ask me questions to trigger you new informations and teachings, so that you can help yourself grow and discover who you are in the path of serving or worshiping God. Thank you, brothers and sisters. I wish you well.